And today we are exploding an apple. Trying to explode an apple.
Do you have a cup?
I do not have a cup.
I know how baking soda and vinegar makes
We have
a
baking
reaction.
soda and vinegar. I'm going to try and take the core. This is a core.
And then this is a dog that
This is a dog. He's not part of the experiment.
He will be. We're going to explode him first.
You're still seasoning.
How does he make an extra juicy to eat?
Okay. Here's what we're going to do next.
My finger got cut off, so.
Ah!
My finger!
There's going to be someone that has very big eyes and a very round mouth, okay?
What?
Yeah. Mine. This is mine. Behave yourself or you're going inside. I know you like it. I know you do. Take a kiss. Take a kiss. No. Take a kiss? No, you don't get to eat this. Yep. Okay.
So where did you find this experiment?
I found an experiment very similar to this on a website that I will link because I do not remember what the website is called. It was a website that took me to another website.
It wasn't recording that. Hi, welcome back to me.
Today, you very lucky people get to have a lesson on how to give us feedback, starring Noah.
Number 2, like and subscribe. While I'm just waiting for Lizzie, where's the hot glue go? Please tell us how we did on our previous experiments that we have done, or random stuff, like oobleck, how good we've done, all that. Please, just so then we know that we're doing good, or if you have any other suggestions that we should do, like making Play-Doh, burning something, like just give us a website or something so we know what to, like, stuff that you want us to see. If you want us to see explore another thing, if you want us to see a snow video, what is else? Just tell us in the comments, please.
It turns out it actually takes a while for a hot glue gun to warm up. Get down.
I did cut it because Harry was being really annoying. Just telling he did break a chip clip.
Whatever.
He had it in his mouth and then he almost bit my hand off.
Oh, exciting.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Baby spoon. Oh.
You want to check if this is focused in?
Sit down, please.
Then out.
Looks focused.
No, I'll put it up later.
Okay. I have hot glued tape
Let's put on 6.
to the bottom.
What are we doing is the top?
I'll just hold tape on it.
Yeah.
So I'll put a scoop of vinegar or
Why
baking soda.
can I do that? I don't trust myself doing this.
Okay. So just put some baking soda in there. Hold on, wait. One last thing. So here's how it looks. There is pop these back up. One eye. 2 eyes.
3 eyes.
3 eyes, just kidding, and a mouth.
Okay.
Actually looks pretty good.
Does it go? I'm gonna add a couple scoops of it in this, so then it actually explodes. That's why it might be at the top when we put it in. So I was gonna like bring the camera closer in or what's
It's coming out eyes.
I couldn't put it on something.
Came out the eyes a little bit, but other than that.
We want to retry.
You know what would be fun?
To hit it with baseball bat.
To try this experiment with a pumpkin and elephant's toothpaste.
That might not work.
I'm gonna say that again, and you're gonna be like, let's try that, okay? You know what would be fun? If we tried this experiment again with a pumpkin and elephant's toothpaste.
Why?
Because that's our next experiment!
You have a pumpkin.
Not right now.
Cool!
Okay, I'm gonna try it again, and that's gonna be the end of the video. You ready? You know what would be fun?
Why?
We tried this again with a pumpkin and elephant's toothpaste.
How would that work?
I wonder if we didn't have enough vinegar. Because look at how pasty that is.
We